All right, if they give us the acceleration is 2t plus 3, 2t plus 3, then, and we also know that the derivative of velocity is equal to acceleration. So if I find the integral of that, it will give me the velocity. So that now I have v of t, and the antiderivative, you add 1 to the exponent, divide by your new exponent. 2 divided by 2 is 1, plus 3t plus c, and that's where we're going to use v of 0 is equal to negative 4, because as I plug in negative 4 in for velocity and plug in 0 for these two t's, well, 0 squared plus 3 times 0 is just 0. So you're left with c is equal to negative 4.